Delphine, and together with Mr. Jamal Nietes to pin the sash for the winner. Okay, who is your bet? 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the winner is no other than, congratulations to you, candidate number 1. And each of the candidates will receive a cash prize, consolation prize of 500 pesos each. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for AJ Moreno, the pride of Team 6-2. And I would like also to congratulate the trainers. The trainers for candidate number 1 is no other than Mr. Nilo Sonaliza, Miss Jessica Samalon, and Miss Cynthia Capistrano. Congratulations, ladies. Thank you so much for joining this competition.